Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have this another little tiny mini lock, and this is called Rocky, and this was sent to me by Lockmania. Nice little brass padlock, and for some reason as soon as I turn on the camera the dog starts barking. Maybe he's barking at somebody else. Anyway, a nice little thing. Maybe we can zoom in a little bit more here. There, get a little bit tighter shot. So here's the keyway. And the keys. Does work. That key works great. I know some of them seem like they hang up a little bit, but that one seems like it works. Nice little brass Rocky padlock. The size of this guy is about 1 1/8 inches or 30 millimeters. So there we go. And for this one, I'll be using this wiper blade insert tension wrench in the top of the keyway, and I will be using a multi-pick little short hook. This thing seems to work well for these little mini locks, and this is a PN06. And so I'll just go here, just start at pin 1, work back. So pin 1, get a good hold on this. Some of the worst parts about these mini locks is trying to keep a hold of them. If you want to pick in hand anyway. Most of the time I don't use the vise. So anyway, pin 1. Oh, that dog. Pin 2. There we go. Pin 3. There we go. That was it. That's all it took. So there we go. A nice little Rocky brass padlock, 35 millimeter. Picked open with the multi-pick short hook. And that's all I have for you today. Notice that if I get it to focus when I'm close up, as soon as I pull away, then it decides to not to refocus for some reason. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you give a like and make sure you've subscribed. Leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.